I've got some hard truth for some motion designers. Some of the things slowing down your After Effects projects aren't bugs, they're your habits. Here are some small changes you can make to your workflow to speed up your process. Number 1 is when you're not using adjustment layers. After Effects calculates every effect on every layer. So if you've got the same glow or blur sitting on 10 different layers, it's doing the math 10 times. And not all effects are the same. Some are real hogs like blur and glow and fractal noise. Use an adjustment layer instead. It even has a shortcut: Control-Alt-Y or Command-Option-Y. One layer globally adjusts everything below it in stacking order. Then you have a cleaner project, a faster render, and it's easier to change things later. Number 2 is not using null objects. On the note of simplifying future changes, you're not doing yourself any favors by copying identical property keyframes to every layer. You're creating more work for yourself and more chances for things to break. Nulls are invisible layers you can attach other layers to. Group related layers under a null and control them all from one place. Need to move a whole group of layers? Move the null and it'll move all the layers. Number 3 is that you're not pre-comping. A common misconception is that more pre-comps mean a heavier project, but that's not the case. Pre-comps are just containers. After Effects still sees everything as one big comp underneath, so organizing into pre-comps isn't costing you anything except your convenience. If you're looking to help your performance, you can pre-render a pre-comp you're done animating. Add it to the render queue and export it as a ProRes 4444 or QuickTime animation. But don't export them as H.264. You might be thinking that it'll run faster because they're smaller file sizes, but it's actually the opposite. H.264 is so compressed that your system has to work really hard just to read it. ProRes is a bigger file, but it's way easier for your computer to scrub through. When you export, look for the post-render action dropdown and set it to import and replace usage. Now, instead of recalculating all those animations on every single preview, After Effects is just reading a baked file. That frees up resources for the stuff that you're actually working on. Number 4, previewing at full resolution all the time. Unless you're really in the nitty-gritty details, there's no need to edit at full resolution all the time. Dropping the preview resolution to half or quarter will smooth out playback without affecting your actual output. And if you're only working on a portion of a section of your composition, give your computer a break by processing the area you're working on. This little icon on the toolbar under the preview window is called Region of Interest. You can use it to tell After Effects to only calculate the content within the rectangle you draw. Performance isn't always about your system specs. Sometimes it's all about working smarter, not harder. For more content like this and my weekly show about designer and creator news called File New, be sure to subscribe to Adobe Live.